Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make music longer on Instagram story. So if you want to make music longer on the Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So by default Instagram allow you to upload music on the Instagram story only of the 15 second. If you want to use or make the longer music on the Instagram story, don't use the Instagram story. You can use Instagram reels to upload longer videos. So don't select story from here, just click on the reels and create a video, then create a video with the longer music and upload it on the Instagram story. So this is the only way you can make the music longer on the Instagram, no other way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.